Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Everyone, my name is Swamini Hulavre, second year computer department student from Zeal College. Today I done my PBL activity of data communication and networking subject with my team members Dhanasvi Mahadik and Saili Mudiraj. This activity is done under the guidance of Shinde sir. The title of this project is Draw Topology Used in Computer Laboratory. The outline of this project is Introduction, Network Topology, Types of Network Topology, Conclusion and Reference. Introduction. Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control radio networks, industrial field buses, and computer networks. Why is network topology important? The layout of your network is important for several reasons. Above all, it plays an essential role in how well your network functions. Choosing the right topology for your company's operational model increases performance while making it easier to locate faults, troubleshoot errors, and more effectively allocate resources across the network to ensure optimal network health. There are two categories in the network topology. First one is physical. The physical network topology refers to the actual connections, wires, cable, etc. Second one is logical. The logical network topology is a higher level idea of how the network is set up, including which nodes connect to each other, in which way, as well as how data is transmitted through the network. There are 6 types of network topology. First one is bus, second one is ring, third one is tree, fourth one is star, fifth one is mesh, and sixth one is hybrid. First, bus topology. The bus topology is designed in such a way that all the stations are connected through a single cable known as a backbone cable. Each node is either connected to the backbone cable by drop cable or directly connected to the backbone cable as shown in above figure. The bus topology is mainly used in 802.3 Ethernet and 802.4 standard networks. Next, the most common access method of bus topologies is CSMA, Carrier Sense Multiple Access. CSMA, it is a media access control used to control the data flow. Advantages of bus topology: low cost cable, moderate data speeds, familiar technology. Next one is ring topology. A ring topology is like a bus topology but with connected ends. The node that receives the message from the previous computer will transmit to the next node. The data flows in one directional, that is unidirectional. Data flows in a single loop continuously, known as an endless loop. The most common access method of the ring topology is token passing. Next one is star topology. Star topology is an arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to central hub, switch, or central computer. The central computer is known as a server, and the peripheral devices attached to the server are known as client. Star topology is the most popular topology in network implementation. Advantages of star topology: efficient troubleshooting, network control, limited failure, and familiar technology. Tree topology. Tree topology combines the characteristics of bus topology and star topology. A tree topology is a type of a structure in which all the computers are connected with each other in hierarchical fashion. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of the network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. The Internet is an example of the mesh topology. There are multiple paths from one computer to another computer. Mesh topology is mainly used for wireless networks. Hybrid topology. The combination of various different topologies is known as hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a connection between different links and nodes to transfer the data. When two or more different topologies are combined together is termed as a hybrid topology. Advantages of hybrid topology: reliable, scalable, flexible, and effective. Conclusion: topologies are essence of computer network design. Efficient networks can only be built based on the complete knowledge and understandings above mentioned topologies. Next, a knowledge of every communication device is equal of importance to help you find the best option for your network requirements. Next, optimum networks can be built with a complete knowledge and understandings of computer networks devices and how they are designed. Any mistake in choosing inappropriate techniques, device, etc. can only be the waste of time, resources, and efforts. Reference: Wikipedia link and wifi-notes.com is the reference, and book name is Data Communication and Networking book. Thank you so much for watching this.